All right, y'all, let's go ahead and do this I do, but use this plug-in trick for our geometry questions as well. Let's begin. The area, I already know that's going to be a big A, of a rectangle. That tells me I might use my formula chart to find the shape. Is, wow, so many keywords. I mean, equal to 45.5 square inches. The base, oh, I know that's part of a rectangle too. Let's put a little b there to show it means base. Of the rectangle is, okay, that means equal to 5 inches. What is the height of the rectangle in inches? All right, now I'm going to underline this as my question. And you know what? This information is a little bit confusing because it's all scrambled up. So my first step again is to find the formula. That will help organize my information. So let's see. I know I'm looking for area of a rectangle. Well, that means if I go to my star reference chart, I'm not looking for a triangle. I'm not looking for a trapezoid or a rectangular prism. I need to make sure I find the one that says rectangle or parallelogram under area. So I know that my formula is going to be A equals BH. Okay, my next step is to identify my given variables. Which of these three variables, A, B, or H, do they actually tell me the answer to? Well, let's go ahead and decode what I annotated here. First one I see is an A. Do they tell me what A equals? Yes, it's 45.5. Next one I see is B. Do they tell me what B equals? Yes, it is equal to 5. Do they tell me what H equals? No, they don't. That's why I see the word what there, because I just actually don't know what it equals yet. And that's what I'm looking for in this question. So my third step is to take all the things I know and put them into the formula so I can figure out what my missing variable is. So this is going to be my plug-in step. What's A? 45.5. What's B? 5. And what's H? I don't know what it is, so I'm just going to leave it like this. So now my fourth step is to solve it like any other algebraic equation using my do-undo method here. So I can make sure I isolate that variable. So let's go ahead and solve. I box my variable so I can figure out what is on the same side of the H that we need to get rid of. I see that we multiplied by 5. What's the inverse of multiplication? Division. So we have to divide by 5 on both sides. Well, I know that 5 divided by 5 is just going to be 1, which means I have 1 H. Okay, so H is alone. Now I have to do 45.5 divided by 5. Well, if I don't know that off the top of my head, I can go ahead and work it out down here. 5 can't go into 4, but 5 goes into 45 9 times. 5 times 9 is 45, and 45 minus 45 is 0. Now let's drop down this 5. 5 goes into 5 1 time. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Is my answer 91? Nope. I need to make sure I take that decimal in my question and float it up to my answer to get 9.1, which is D. And can I be honest with you? We already knew that B was going to be a really bad answer because we had to divide 45.5 by something. This would likely be if we multiplied it by accident. So now I know all I had to do was first in red, find the formula. Second in blue, outline all the variables they gave me for that formula. 3, plug in what I know. And then 4, solve just like I would any other equation with algebra by using my do-undo method.